The Twilight Registry. Recovered audio transcript. Case file TR 9203. What follows is a transcription of 16 voicemail messages received by the National Atmospheric Survey's regional relay station on October 3rd. The transmitting station, designated Marker 9, located at the northwest boundary of the survey's active monitoring zone, had been unmanned since 1984. All messages were received within a 13-minute window. The final message was still recording when the station went silent. The voice on all 16 messages belongs to a man the registry has tentatively identified as Weston Carr, a former atmospheric field technician who disappeared in 2014 while conducting a solo inspection of the Marker 9 infrastructure. His disappearance was classified as a hiking accident. His body was never recovered. We present the transcripts in order. Message 1, received 11:02 p.m. Hey, this is Weston. Sorry for the late hour. I'm at Marker 9. I'm not sure who this goes to. I'm using the station's hardline relay. I need someone to call me back at this number. I need to tell someone what's out here. Please, call me back. Please. End of message. Message 2. Received 11:04 p.m. It's Weston again. I know that seemed strange. I'm going to try to be organized about this. I arrived at the station about 4 hours ago. The solar array is partially functional. The hardline is active. I don't know how I got here exactly. I know how that sounds. I was somewhere else and then I was here. And the last date I have a clear memory of is August 14th, 2014. I'm aware that was some time ago. Please call me back. End of message. Message 3. Received 11:05 p.m. I've been outside. I need to describe what's outside. The station is surrounded by an area of flat terrain. You'll know this from the site survey. It's the tundra shelf, about 3 miles wide before the escarpment. I can see the escarpment from the door. But there's something wrong with the distance. It should be 3 miles. It looks closer. Much closer. And there's something at the base of it. I need to describe it. It's tall. Very tall. Standing against the rock face. At first I thought it was an antenna mast. It's not an antenna mast. End of message. Message 4. Received 11:06 p.m. I went back inside. I'm sorry. I'm going to stay inside. I looked at the thing for too long, and it turned toward me. I don't want to say more about it than that. I'm fine. I'm inside. I need you to send someone to Marker 9, not to retrieve me, just to acknowledge that you're receiving these messages. Please. End of message. Message 5. Received 11:07 p.m. I found the station logs. I've been reading them. The automatic instruments have been recording continuously since 1984, when the last staff departed. 40 years of data. Wind, pressure, temperature, humidity. All within normal ranges. That's not what I want to tell you about the logs. End of message. Message 6. Received 11:07 p.m. He saw. The logs contain annotations. Handwritten annotations in the margins of the printed instrument reports. I don't know who made them. The last human staff was here in 1984. The annotations begin in 1984 and continue forward. They are in several different handwritings. The most recent annotation was made. There is a pause here, a long one, approximately 18 seconds. The most recent annotation was made today. The ink is still wet. It says, "He came back. Like we all come back. He'll understand soon." End of message. Message 7. Received 11:08 p.m. The handwriting on that last annotation. I recognized it. I know how that sounds. I checked it against. There are forms in the station files. Signed forms from the 2014 inspection visit. My own handwriting. It's my handwriting. I wrote that annotation, and I don't remember writing it. End of message. Message 8. Received 11:08 p.m. The thing at the escarpment is closer. I can see it from the window. I'm not going to look at it again. I just want to be clear about that. I'm going to continue leaving these messages until someone responds. I believe I've been here before. I believe this is not the first time. I believe that whatever happens in this place, it keeps the record of it, and then it brings you back to add another entry. End of message. Message 9. Received 11:09 p.m. I found something else in the file cabinet. A photograph. It's dated 1997. Stamped on the back, automatic date stamp from a survey drone camera. The photograph shows the exterior of the station. I'm in the photograph. I'm standing at the door. I'm looking at the camera. I look the same age, the same clothes I'm wearing right now. 1997. I was 11 years old in 1997. End of message. Message 10. Received 11:10 p.m. There are other photographs, going back further. 1987. 1979. Further back than that. The clothes change. The face is always the same. I have been here for a very long time, and I have not been aging. And every time I come back, I leave these same messages, and I never remember having left them before. And one of these times, I think, I will be the one making the annotation in the margin, instead of reading it. End of message. Message 11. Received 11:10 p.m. I want to say something to my family. I want to say I love them, and I'm sorry I didn't come home. I tried. I'm still trying. Every time I leave messages like this, I think this will be the time someone sends help in time. Every time. End of message. Message 12. Received 11:11 p.m. The thing at the escarpment is gone. I can't see it anymore. I don't know if it went back or if it came inside. I'm in the main room. The door is bolted. I'm not going to check the back room. I don't need to check the back room. I know what's in the back room. End of message. Message 13. Received 11:11 p.m. The back room has a chair. chair, there is someone sitting in it. I can see them through the window in the door. I have been looking at them for a few minutes. They're very still. When I moved closer to the window, they turned their head toward me. End of message. Message 14. Received 11:12 p.m. I recognize them. I'm going to open the door. End of message. Message 15. Received 11:12 p.m. This message is 47 seconds of silence, followed by the sound of a door opening. Then what sounds like, and the registry's audio analysts confirm this interpretation, two people breathing in perfect synchrony, neither faster nor slower than the other. Then the line goes silent. End of message. Message 16. Received 11:14 p.m. This is Weston. I understand now. I'm not going to describe what's in the back room. I don't think it would help. I just want to say, whoever gets these, the station is still functional. The instruments are still recording. The hardline still works. If you need to reach me, you know where I am. I'm always here. I've always been here. I've added the annotation when I'm done with this call. The recording ends. The registry attempted to call back the marker 9 relay number. It rang twice. Then a voice answered. The voice was calm and pleasant, and said only, "Survey station marker 9. Please hold." Then the line went dead. We have not been able to reach marker 9 again. The National Atmospheric Survey confirmed that marker 9's instruments transmitted normal atmospheric data throughout October 3rd and every day thereafter. They confirmed the station has been unmanned since 1984. They confirmed that the relay line should be incapable of initiating outgoing calls. When we asked a survey archivist about photographs in the marker 9 files, specifically about any photographs in which a person appears, she was quiet for a moment. Then she said, "There are no people in any of the marker 9 photographs. There never have been." We asked if she was sure. "I've reviewed those files many times." She said, 40 years of automated imagery. No people. Just the station. Just the escarpment. She paused. "And the shadow," she said. "There's always a shadow in the right of frame. We never found what cast it." The Twilight Registry. Case file. TR9203. Status: unresolved. Weston Carr has not been found. The station at marker 9 is still transmitting atmospheric data. All readings normal.